To Passcode Lock an app with screen time on iPhone and iPad. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Open the Settings app and choose Screen Time. To enter the Controls menu, set a screen time passcode if you have not already done so. Then select the App Limits option inside the Screen Time. Simply click on Screen Time and you'll find Passcode option. After that, use Add Limit to select the category of app to restrict. Once you have done, simply click on Next. After that, you may have the option to block at End of Limit. Select this option. Click Add to your list of time limits and you're good to go. That's how you add Passcode Lock with screen time on iPhone and iPad. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off until next time.